Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to be introducing you to the Forid biodegradable trash bags. They are the 1.2 gallon, and you see here you get all of these rolls. Here's the size right here. I believe they are about 12 inches, and you see when you open them up, they have that octagonal shape in the bottom for the trash bags. They can hold up to 26 pounds, which is a lot. They're great for your kitchen, your bathroom, baby diapers, all kinds of different areas of the house, office, and they're great for the environment. That's the best thing, is that they're biodegradable. That was the number one thing that got me interested in this product. They come in these nice fancy little rolls here. You get 5 rolls that come in the box here. You can see the box. So there's 150 pieces all together. It says the home and on the go. It has the car, the baby stroller, the bathroom, walking the dog. That's another great thing, is if you're walking the dog. And I love how they have this little sticker on here, so you can take the little sticker off like this right here and stick it, and then just pull one bag, rip it off, which I don't need a bag. Well, I'll show you. Rip it off. Very easy to rip off. So simple to rip that off. Then you can take the sticker and place it back on. So that way you don't have the mess of all of them just rolling off, making a mess, all of that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put mine back in the box, and I will read a few things off of the box. You can see I'm very much into the environment and eco-friendly. Gotta love my wall hanging here. I'm going to go ahead and seal the box off. And then I would like to read to you a few things off the back of the box that you might be interested in. They are 1 foot. I had said 12 inches. You get 5 rolls. There's 30 pieces on a roll. That's 150 bags. Avoid danger of suffocation. There are some things here where you can go to Facebook or email. They have a website, and it shows the little garbage can there. So that is about it. Like I said, about 12 inches. So they fit nicely. They can hold 26 pounds. They're very strong. Just go ahead and use them. And the best thing is knowing that when you throw them away, they will help the environment and just disintegrate into the earth without harming the earth. So go ahead, like, subscribe, share the video. Go ahead and click on the link down below on Amazon. Buy yourself some of these. Tell your friends about it. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.